Welcome back, cat babes. So in today's tutorial is featuring this lovely hot ass look right here, doing the Bratz challenge that I seen posted all over Instagram. If you'd like to see how to achieve this pretty sensational look, just keep watching. Welcome back, cat babes. So in today's tutorial we're going to go ahead and do the Bratz challenge, and I'm going to be doing this picture right here. So without further ado, let's get started. So first we're going to go ahead and put a white eyeshadow base down. In with the Morphe 3502 palette, we're going to pick up the shade Universal on a Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush, and we're going to go ahead and pick up that pigment. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that all over our eye. And then going in with another Wet n Wild flat an eyeshadow brush. They look like this, they're big and fluffy. We're going to go ahead and pick up the shade called Tan, and we're going to go ahead and put that right here in the crease. Just keep picking up that pigment and building up the color, because in the look that Jade does for this makeup is it gets darker out in the corner and it stays light right there. So you just want to keep picking up and adding more pigment as you go. And then using that same brush, we're going to go ahead and pick up the color called Fawn, which is down in the left hand corner. Alright, and then going in with the color called So Warm on another flat, fluffy brush. Go ahead and pat that in. And then going in with a flat crease brush. This is the Jaclyn Hill 38 brush. We're just going to pick up some of the color called Whiz in that same palette. Make sure you tap off some of the excess because I don't want it to be over dark. And put it right in the crease. And then going back in with the eyeshadow brush, just go ahead and blend all of that together. And then going in with the Morphe 35M palette, we're gonna go ahead and pick up the shade called Light of the Party, and it's a really like goldy shade, or like a silver shade almost, and you just want to pop that right there. She does have a little bit of a shine. And then going in with the Smoke and Mirrors HD flat tip eyeliner. It looks like this. I picked it up at the dollar store. I'm going to go ahead and grab my trusty mirror, and I'm going to go ahead and make a winged eyeliner. A cat eye. And then go ahead and put down our lovely base. Under. I will have to do a highlight underneath the brow bone, because hers is pretty intense. And she's fairly bronze too, so I'll have to make that happen. Okay. Going in with the Makeup Revolution concealer in shade C6. Go ahead and blend that in. Alright, and then going in with the e.l.f. eyeshadow stick in darkest black, we're going to go ahead and tightline our waterline. Going in with the Jordana Flawless Face Powder in Nude Beige. We're just going to go ahead and put that all over our face. Going in with the Goddess bronzer by Wet n Wild. We're going to go ahead and pick some of that up. And like I said, she is fairly well bronzed in this picture, so we're just going to bronze it up. And then going in with a flat brush, we're going to go ahead and contour the nose a little bit because their noses are a lot smaller than ours. It looks so weird, but there is a reason to my madness. Okay. And then going in with the Smoke and Mirrors Powder Highlight in Gold, we're going to pick up a flat Jaclyn Hill brush in the brush JH42. We're just going to pick that up. And we're going to do some highlight right there. Right there. And then go ahead and add some of that smoky and dramaticness to the bottom lash line. Going in with some mascara. Go ahead and do the brows really fast. Her brows are kind of dramatic too. Alright. And now for the fun part. Doing the lips. And this, Cat Babes, is the final Jade Bratz Challenge makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if so, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, a like, and a comment below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can catch me in the next one. And again, I thank you guys so much. Bye, guys.